Hey there, fellow adventure seekers. Are you ready for an unforgettable journey? Today, I've got some killer tips for all you courageous solo travelers out there. So grab your backpack, your sense of wonder, and let's dive in. First things first, research is key. You don't want to end up in the middle of nowhere with zero clue where you're headed. So get your Google skills on point and do your homework. Trust me, it'll save you from some major travel headaches. Now let's talk about accommodation. Hostels, hotels, Airbnbs, or couch surfing, there are endless options for solo travelers. But my pro tip, choose accommodations that promote social interaction. That's right, make friends on the road and create memories you'll cherish forever. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, safety. All you solo warriors out there, make sure to master the art of blending in. Dress like a local, avoid flashy jewelry, and keep your valuables close. And remember, trust your instincts. If something seems off, it probably is. Safety first, adventurers. Now let's talk local cuisine. One of the biggest perks of traveling solo is indulging in the unique flavors of every destination. So ditch the fear of eating alone and dive into local street food. Try exotic dishes and meet new people through your gastronomic adventures. Your taste buds will thank you. Moving on, let's discuss making connections. As a solo traveler, it's all about meeting people and building connections. Strike up conversations with fellow travelers, ask locals for recommendations, and embrace the serendipity that solo travel offers. Some of my best memories were made through chance encounters. You never know who you'll meet. And the most Instagrammable part, capturing memories. Whether you're a selfie aficionado or prefer stunning landscapes, make sure to document your journey. Take photos, create videos, and share your experiences with the world. Not only will it be a visual reminder of your incredible adventures, but it might even inspire others to embark on their own solo journeys. Lastly, embrace the unknown. Solo travel is an opportunity to step out of your comfort zone and discover your inner strength. So be open to trying new things, embrace the unexpected, and allow the journey to transform you. Because it's not just about the destination, it's the incredible experiences and personal growth that make solo travel truly life-changing. And that's a wrap, my fellow solo travelers. Remember, adventure awaits, and with these tips in your pocket, you're ready to conquer the world. So go out there, make memories, and become the hero of your own epic solo travel story. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and keep spreading those solo travel vibes. See ya!